had a grat Tim when I was chickacret. I had lots of a mock-up on my face.
This is Halloween.
Look it. It's freaking bats. I love Halloween. Psst. What?
Lazy. Just kidding, it's for my macaroni and cheese.
Coming down the slide hard, simmer and go. Simmer braces for it. Shot. Save! Oh!
Dragon tales, it's almost time for dragon tales. Come along. I'm never gonna dance again.
Chicken, chick, chick, chicken, chicken, chick, chick, chicken, chick, chick, chick. Power of Belgium. The power of Christ, God Belgium.
I'm happy.
Yeah, you're happy?
Yeah, let me see you when you're happy.
Hello?
I love you.
Touch my body.
It's a very cute baby. Thanks. She's named after her grandma. Oh, what's her name? Grandma?
I have banana peel on the ground. I'm gonna see if it's really slippery like it is in the cartoon.
That was the last. Don't let go! Don't let go! I've got you! I've got you! No!
Part 1. I was walking down the street and this is what I saw. A dead rat and a cracker. Let's poke it.
What did you do?
I shaved my eyebrows.
Why did you do that?
I don't know.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
You know what? I love myself. Even though I look like a burnt chicken nugget, I still love myself.
How many of y'all mama been good? She cooked that collard green, fat back meat, cornbread, and 2 biscuit with a corn on the cob.
Everyone has a special ingredient that helps them save the day. What's yours?
Chicken strips!
Give it to me, I'm
Jones barbecue foot massage. Jones barbecue foot massage.
I'm like a bird, I only fly away. I don't know where my soul.
This is good. Come on.
Check this plants. Very green, very fresh. I like it.
Hold up. You messing with my truck. You messing with my truck.
Say live and let die.
Sleep. I don't know about sleep. It's summertime. Oh, she called me.
I've been really trying, baby.
What do you need?
Let me get a big picture.
Get some.
Let me see what you have.
No! Daddy?
Do I look?
There's only one race. The human race. What about NASCAR?
911 isn't an emergency? No! What is it? It's DiGiorno!
¿Qué estoy escribiendo?
La Nicki Minaj.
Pues síguelo. ¿Qué dice?
Nicki Minaj.
Perhaps it is the context in which words are spoken that give them the power or meaning. I love you, dog!
Stop, Conrad! Open this?
Sure.
Yeah. Hey, don't throw that.
Oh, sorry.
I have to restart my potatoes.
Hi, I'm a dog.
Hurry up, we're gonna be late for school. Bruh, chill. I don't know why you in a big time rush.
Johnny has 19 bottles of dish soap, and he gives Gina. Wait, why does Johnny have so many soaps? Mind your business, David!
Why aren't the dishes in alphabetical order? What does that even mean?
Roses are red, violets are blue. Why'd you leave me, Karen? What did I do?
I've lost me goldfish. Could someone help me find me goldfish? Oh.
Hey, what y'all get for number 12?
I got 18. Oh, I got 9.5. I got Abraham Lincoln for some reason.
How do you discipline your pet rock? You hit rock bottom.
You have a nap today?
I didn't! Otis.
Man down.
Yes!
I got a question! If a picture is worth 1,000 words, what is 1,000 pictures worth? I got a question! If the number 2 pencil is the most used pencil in the world, why is it number 2? I got a question! Why is it called a drive-thru when you gotta stop?
Girls' night, pedicures,
Talking about boys.
pillow fight.